Hey guys, this is Lawrence from Laws of Physio, and today we're going to teach you how to massage your own back. So all you're going to need is a foam roller. You can get them pretty much anywhere. They go for anywhere between $5 to $10, okay? And what we're going to teach you today is how to use this to foam roll and do like a deep tissue massage on your back. So all you're going to do is lying down. You're going to place it just at the crease of your lower back, crossing your arms and then rolling down. So it's normal to hear a bit of cracking the first time you start. Yep, that was my back cracking just there. And you're just gonna find, when you get to like a tender spot, you're gonna stay there and you're just gonna kind of pulse on and off just to really get in there. And you're just trying to relax into it. Let the foam roller massage that part of your back, okay? If you want more of a stretch, you can do a little bit of a twist and rotation just to get more of that stretch through there, okay? If you want more of a stretch, if you put your arms above your head, you'll open up the chest and you'll get more of a stretch, more of a release through there. After a bit of a soft tissue work or a massage through your back, it's the best time to stretch because everything's nice and loose and flexible. So again, we're gonna use a foam roller. You're gonna just jump on top, using your hand on the actual foam roller, you're gonna pass under, and we call this exercise thread the needle. So come up, all the way down, feel that stretch through your shoulder blade. Same thing on this side, and you want to come down. I like to pulse on and off. And you want to hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds, getting about 10 to 20 reps in. And you'll feel a really good stretch through the middle part of your back. You should definitely feel a little bit more free. This works really great if you're stuck at a desk all day and you're really hunched forward, just to help to open up the posture.